If you want to change sound EQ on the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, first of all, we need to open the settings. Now over here in settings, we should be able to scroll down a little bit, and then you want to go to sound and vibration. Then we're gonna scroll down again, and this time we are looking for Dolby Atmos. Now we can tap on this setting icon in the bottom left corner, and then here we have settings. Now we can use one of these presets that we have available in here, although I think the best option is the smart audio, which allows the phone or the app to identify the content, and then it chooses the best profile for you. But besides that, we can also tap on the pen right next to every profile that we have in here, and as you can see here we have a couple of equalizers, a couple of different presets that we can use, like the brilliant treble, bass boost, vocal boost, and flat. Besides that, there is also the custom profile that we can use, and if you tap on this pen icon, then in here, as you can see, we have sliders, so we can adjust the loudness of frequencies in here. Unfortunately, they are not really numbered, or you cannot really see specifically what frequency you are trying to adjust, but of course I assume you can figure it out as you use these different sliders. So of course ideally you want to use that when you listen to a song, for example. So as you can see here, we have a couple of these sliders that we can use to adjust these frequencies, but also we have presets as well, just like in the case of these other pre-made profiles. There is also the surround virtualizer that you can use, and the volume leveler. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.